As you can see, I got my floor lamp. Very simple to put together. You got the base, which is very sturdy and keeps everything together. And then you just screw there's like four pieces that you just screw together very simply. Then you simply put on the lampshade, and it is really, really nice. Not as sturdy as I'd like it to be, but not a deal breaker. The shade is nice. It comes in 3 shades of lights, so it's light, dim, and dimmer. Very nicely made. Nothing to complain about. Just was expecting a little more, but it sits in the corner by my rocking chair, and it does what it's supposed to do, and that's all you can ask. Hope this helps somebody make a good decision. A nice little lamp for a nice little room, or a desk, or a child's room, or something to that effect. Hope this helps. Have a good day, and look forward to helping you in the future. Bye-bye.